In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off fillable form fields in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. The process involves making a field read-only, so users can view it but not make any changes. This is particularly useful when you want to maintain the integrity of the information in certain fields of your document. To start off, you'll want to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Launch the application and navigate to the file you want to modify. Once you have the document open, head over to the toolbar at the top of the screen. There, you're going to find the Tools option. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of tool options laid out for your use. The one we're interested in today is labeled Prepare Form. Select this tool as it's specifically designed for form-related tasks like creating, editing, and managing form fields. After selecting the Prepare Form tool, you'll be taken to a new interface where you can see all the interactive elements on your form. This setup is the gateway for modifying your document. Browse through the form and identify the specific field or fields you want to disable. Remember, deciding which fields to make read only ensures that sensitive or critical data remains unchanged by other users. Once you've chosen the field, place your cursor on it and right-click. A context menu will appear, offering a variety of options. You should click on Properties, which will open a new dialog box. This is where you'll make the necessary changes to your field settings. In the Properties window, look for the General tab. Clicking on this tab will reveal several settings related to the selected form field, including visibility options and tooltip information. Here, you're going to check the option marked Read Only. Now, what this does is it makes the field non-editable. Users can still see what's in the field, but they won't be able to modify any of its contents. This setting is extremely helpful in scenarios where data integrity is of the utmost importance, such as legal documents or official forms where text inputs need to be preserved exactly as filled. Once you have checked the Read Only box, ensure everything looks the way you expect it to. This last step is crucial because it gives you a chance to confirm that all changes apply specifically to the fields you've selected. If all looks good, you can exit the form editing mode. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully made a field read-only in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This method ensures the data you wish to preserve remains unchanged by others, offering you peace of mind whenever your document is accessed by various users. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.